YouTube family, it's your girl Ray23. Some of you may know me, some of you may not. But I haven't posted on this channel since like 2012, 2013. So I haven't been here for a long time, but I had to come to the channel to do this unboxing of this black-owned shoe brand called SIA Collective. So SIA Collective means somewhere in America. It's a black-owned shoe company, and they also sell merchandise and different things like that. But their shoes sell out so fast, and I was able to cop the Racism in America SIA Collective shoes. I'm so excited about this because I don't buy shoes much. I used to be like a big shoe head back in like high school, middle school, But I grew up kind of just stopped buying shoes like that. But I couldn't resist getting these, and they're black owned. So I just wanted to come here and do this unboxing with you guys, and let's get into it. So first off, the packaging. I absolutely love the packaging. I hope that the camera focuses on this, so I'm gonna try to keep it still. But it has a little window with the shoe, really nice, with Racism in America. Has a handle on it, and I'm gonna try to keep it still here. But on the back, it has socially distancing from racism with the black power fist. I absolutely love that because I'm socially distancing from it as well. So let's get right into this unboxing. I'm so excited about these shoes. Literally, like when you go on the site, you have to press refresh, or else you're gonna miss out, because these shoes literally sell out in minutes. Like I literally watched the shoes sell out before my eyes, and I was so excited that I got my pair. So we're unboxing here, and the shoes they come individually wrapped. So now I'm just gonna take one out, and here we are. They are fire. I can just tell like the quality of the shoe quality, heavy, durable. I can tell these are like very strong shoes. Even the cloth material, like I had some Nikes that had the cloth material, and I played basketball in them and tore them. But I can just tell that this cloth material is very thick, very nice. The shoes kind of put me in the mind of like some Vapor Max in a sense, but I like these better. And plus they're black on, like I said. Alright y'all, so I got the shoes on. First off, I want to say, sliding my feet into these felt like I slid into a glove, a soft glove. I absolutely love these shoes already. So soft, so comfortable, so durable. My new favorite shoes, man. I cannot wait to buy another pair. These ran me like $185, I believe, but they're regularly $220. I caught the Black Friday deal, and I'm so happy that I did because these shoes are so nice. So, alright guys, I'm back. So thank you so much for tuning in. Make sure you subscribe, you like, you comment, and do all of that. And you know, maybe if you do, I'll come back with some more videos, some more unboxing and reviews and stuff like that. But I just really wanted to enlighten you guys and tell you guys about the SIA Collective shoes, black owned brand. So if you are looking to buy your significant other or friend, family member, or anybody something for Christmas, make sure you keep them in mind. Happy holidays to everybody, and I'll see you again in the next video.